Ain't too slippy. Yeah, if this breaks, it won't feel good.
See how it feels. Yo, it's soft.
How's it look?
Another car too? Hey, buddy. Huh? We're getting followed.
Oh fuck, we're being followed. Oh. This looks super nice.
Dude, these Sperry's are where it's fucking at, bro. Get a pair of Sperry's at Sperry's.com, dude. They don't sponsor me, not yet.
Got a bug on you? It's gonna fall off right here, boy. That water looks good.
Man, this water's fucking cold. Am I red? Oh my god, I'm fucking like, I'm either pink or I'm red, I don't know.
Let's see, there's an easier way over this. Or nah, this looks tougher. Unless we go in the corner.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, sorry guys. Alright, yeah, I guess we'll just go back.